How to crop and resize any image in Paint application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer on your device. Right click on the picture and go to Open With. Choose the application name Paint and shortly the image will open in the Paint application. Now to crop it, you can simply click on the selection tool, choose the picture. I've chosen rectangle here, and now once the selected portion has been selected, you can simply click on OK and move it separately. And that is how easily you can crop any part of the image in Paint application. Now to resize it, you need to simply click on the picture wide tool, and once you click on it, you will be able to see this window where you are supposed to choose the horizontal and vertical size of the picture you want to resize. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.